Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to make a mini pocket journal or diary from a blank sheet of paper. First, I fold the sheet into 8 equal sections just like you see in the video. Then I fold it in half again and make a cut along the center line. Next, I fold the paper along the longer crease, grab the ends, and bring them together in the middle to form the booklet. As you can see, the final result is a small notebook with 8 pages. After making the mini notebook, we're gonna decorate it. One easy way to decorate it is by using stickers, like I did in this cover example. Then I write the days of the week on a separate sheet and make a label for each one. After that, I stick 1 day per page, although you can distribute the space however you like. As you can see, this way I have space for 7 days, 1 per page, not counting the cover. But to make better use of the notebook, I unfold the sheet, fold it the other way, and stick the rest of the days on the corresponding pages. In my planner, I've given a page to each day, so that's a total of 15 days. But this is just an example, and you can spread the days however you like. I think this is an easy and quick way to organize your month and have a planner always on hand because you can keep it in any pocket. And you don't even need to decorate it if you don't feel like it or don't have time. Just write the day of the month on each page and you're good to go. But if you enjoy drawing, I'm going to show you 3 original decoration ideas using pastel highlighters. For the first idea, I use these 3 highlighters plus a black pen, and I start by decorating the cover with a pink and orange grid. After outlining the edges of the cover, I draw a vase on a separate sheet. Then I cut out the figure and stick it on the cover. Now, I decorate the inside of the journal or planner with some really easy and quick borders inspired by the cover. And that's how the cover and the inside of the weekly organizer would look. In the second example, I create a journal to record my dreams and draw a cover with clouds and a moon. Then I decorate the inside with a frame inspired by the cover. This type of journal can be made for different purposes, but I find it useful as a source of inspiration since I tend to have pretty vivid and somewhat crazy dreams. In the third example, I'm going to design a cover inspired by June and summer. So, I'm drawing a beach landscape, first with a pencil and then coloring it with pastel highlighters. If you're doing this, I recommend you trace the pencil drawing very lightly so that there aren't any marks left. To color the landscape with highlighters, I use a light color for the highlights and the same or a similar color, but darker, for the shadows. After coloring, I wait for the ink to dry, erase the pencil lines, and outline everything with a black marker. Now I'm decorating the inside of the planner with a border design inspired by the ocean, with seaweed, corals, and starfish, plus some blue bubbles. And like before, after coloring, I outline everything. And that's how the beach-inspired journal would look. Let me know in the comments what your favorite design was and what other designs you'd like to see. And remember, these are just examples and you can adapt the notebook to your needs. But if you need inspiration and want me to give you more ideas, just let me know. See you later.